Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I was going through the internet and randomly looking at inspirational photos. I was looking at home decor, and then I fell upon a picture of, I believe it was someone's house, and it was in their living room. I had seen this wall art on the wall and I was immediately drawn to it. I did a little bit of my research and found out that it was a native bow and arrow. So I had to create a similar one. I thought it was beautiful. I thought it would fit perfectly in my home, and it was something that I had never seen before. I had to do a little recreation of it in my own way, and I am so happy of how it turned out. I know it's not for everybody, but I love my ethnic, my boho pieces. I love my Bali, Indonesian. I love all of the beautiful ethnic pieces that are out there, and the native bow and arrow was definitely right up my alley. So I had to do a DIY, and I also wanted to address, I had a few comments asking where I get a lot of my pieces. And the reason why I don't link them anymore is because I get a lot of my pieces either at the thrift store, either at my local dollar store where they don't have it online. So it's harder for me to tell you where to get it. And if you don't live in Montreal, it's a little bit hard for you to go to the same dollar stores or the thrift store. Sometimes it's like one of a kind piece and I take it apart. And I know a lot of you also want me to do voiceovers when it comes to my DIYs. I am not a good voiceover. I've tried. It's just not my thing. I don't enjoy it. And I know a lot of you wanted me to do voiceovers and maybe explain things a little bit. I feel that sometimes my DIY are pretty self-explanatory. I used to write each step of what it is that I'm doing. If you would want me to go back into doing that, I can do that. But as far as voiceovers, I'm not a voiceover kind of girl. It's either I'm going too fast, either I'm going too slow. It's a hot mess. That's why sometimes I do a little bit of my explanations in the intro and what I'm doing before I get into the DIY. Before we get into the DIY, I did want to share what I end up doing for the bow and arrow. It had to be a wood piece that was curved. So I don't know if it's going to be able to translate on this video, but I wanted to show you how I end up curving the wood piece. I end up getting a bamboo piece and I put it in hot water, I would say for maybe a few hours in the tub. I let it soak, and then I went back and then I bent it a little bit and then tied it with a rope and kept it like that. So that's how I got that curved. Another thing, since I have a lot of white walls, it's hard to show how I envision this piece in a home. So I thought I would show ideas of how I imagine it, whether it's in a bedroom, in a hallway, or even in a living room. I wanted you guys to see my vision in my head of what I picture it in someone's house, or how it can look beautiful in other home decor. So I thought I would incorporate those pictures as well. Let me know if that's something that you like. And that's it. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this DIY. Enjoy. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Comment down below, let me know what you think. For my next video, I was thinking of doing a different concept when it comes to come thrift with me. I thought I would separate the videos in two. So I would do a come thrift with me shopping part and then do a haul video separately. So the first video I would do is a come thrift with me and then show you all the pieces that I'm drawn to, how I would style them, how I see them styled in a home, even clothing wise. That would be one video, and then I would show you what I end up getting. So I would do a try on haul and then obviously how I styled it in my home. So let me know if you think that that would be a good idea. It separates the two because when I'm doing them combined, it is a huge video and it might not seem like a lot, but it's a lot. So if I put them separate, it makes it that I can put out more videos for you and it'll be less time in between each video. So comment down below, let me know if you think that that's a good idea. Moving on to the outfit part. Hat is Brixton. Scarf, I thrifted this. Necklace thrifted. I got it in that mystery jewelry jar that I had gotten. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put a link down below. Also, this necklace here was in the same mystery jewelry jar. This was a company that I had worked with. I cannot remember the name of it. Just beautiful beaded tassel necklace. If I can find the name, I will write it down for you. Shirt thrifted, super cute crochet. I was going to show you this in one of my next videos. I'm also thinking of doing a summer neutral palette boho lookbook for you, show you some inspirations of my boho styles this year. So let me know if that's something you want to see also. And that's pretty much it. That is the whole outfit. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support. You already know how much that means to me. I love you so much. I will see you next time. Have the best week ever. Mwah. Bye guys.